So guys, we are going to take our favorite pistol, our 365xl Sig Sauer, and do a little makeover on it, so to speak. First of all, we got our 15 round mag, which I've put in here already. You can see it adds quite a bit of length to the pistol as it is. As opposed to, you know, our standard mag. There's the extra right between there and there. Comes with both base plates. This one's for the regular 365, and that comes installed on it. I had installed the other one for this, so it's pretty nice. Pretty nice. Same as you know, regular mag. There you go. Anyhow, the big makeover is going to come. We are going to a standard safety, and you need 3 parts for that. These are all Sig Sauer parts, and one is the manual safety detent spring, and the next one is the manual safety itself, non-textured they call it. Let's see, that's the actual ambi safety, and then the manual safety detent itself, the little, you know, bumpers, whatever you want to call it, the little pin, I guess. I don't know if you can see it there. There you go. And then let me tell you, we got these from, not sure how to pronounce it, I think it's Osage County Guns. They are the only people who have had this in stock, and I've been waiting quite a while. But they also came out with this. Now, I probably don't need it. I'm fairly skilled when it comes to the use of certain tools, but this is a, what do you call it? Can't remember what they call it. It's like a stencil, but let's see on here. It's called a grip jig. So you have to cut out part of the slide right here, a little U-shaped cut. And no big deal. I can hit it with a Dremel, it'll come out just fine. But I'm not going to show it on here because I don't want YouTube to flip out. But take the slide off, and then looking down in, this snaps down in the gun and gives you the cutout, so you know exactly where to cut on both sides, and it'll be perfect. Yeah, it fits right down in the frame of the pistol. So we're going to put this back together, and through the magic of camera work, we'll show you when we are done. Okay guys, well, we finished up the basically machining process we had to do, and what it entailed was just cutting a little U-shaped half moon section out of each side of the main body, or the grip of the gun. So what you don't see under the safety here is those half moons. We used that little jig to cut those out with a Dremel. Really easy. And then installed, this whole piece comes out, installed the safety and the detent and the spring, and now we have our safety in there. So I'm going to put it back together here and show you how it works. Put it back together is as simple as putting the slide on, popping it back, and it's on. And now the safety, if you can hear that, you can hear the detent. And there it is. Your manual safety's put together. We've got the magazine and the finished product. Simple as that. Thought we'd bring you a short little video showing you how to do that. It looks completely factory. Everything's smooth, nice, and ready to go. And now you can carry it without a holster in your pocket, ready to go. Thanks again, guys. As always, check out our Facebook, check out our Instagram. Thanks for viewing. And as always, Rockford Ordnance out.